Turn on the vacuum cleaner.
Alright, so Marcelo, what are we going to be doing? Give us a little...
We are using a, what's it called?
A vacu-form.
No, the thing in the oven.
Styrene.
Styrene to vacu-form a Leatherman.
Awesome.
It's going to be pretty sweet. He's got gloves on.
Yes, turn on the vacuum.
The styrene's been in the oven for...
like 5 minutes on 350.
Alright.
On top of the aluminum foil. We're just going to flip the aluminum foil with the styrene bottom facing down on top of it, because otherwise it kind of sticks to the aluminum foil.
We also added water to the wood to make a more airtight seal.
All
Vacuum
right.
on. 1, 2, 3.
That's looking good.
Oh shit.
Man, that's working well. What? Oh, it's going really.
Woo! Woo!
Oh, that's still really hot.
Is it done?
It's still hot.
That's pretty cool. Turn it off?
Yeah, take it off.
Woo! Woo! Woo!
Let's pour a little water to cool it down.
Alright, I'm going to stop recording.